Hey everybody, it's Friday. That means it's time for another question and another answer with Ask Octopus. Today we have a licensing question. The question is, can I have a test Octopus server? You'd want to have a separate Octopus server if you wanted to test changes to your projects before moving them to the main instance. You may want to have another system to test any upgrades of Octopus Deploy before you apply them to your main system so that you know everything is still going to work exactly the way you expect when you apply that upgrade to your production instance. So there's not so much of a demo today, but I am going to point you to the location of this information. It is in the licensing agreement, but you can also find it on our pricing FAQ page. If we scroll down, there is a question about how many instances of Octopus Server can I run? And by clicking on that, we go directly to that section, and you can see that you can have 3 separate instances of Octopus Deploy using the same license key. So to answer the question that prompted this video, yes, you can have a separate instance just for testing projects or deployments or upgrades. You could also use those extra instances for different departments within your company. So if you really want to have a completely separate server and database from another team, they can have their own instance. Now you can use spaces for that as well within the same instance, but if there's a reason that you'd want to split them up, you can do that. Another reason I've seen customers use these 3 instances is to separate production and lower level environments for security reasons. An important thing to note here is that the target limit of your license is per instance. So like in this example on the page, if your license allows you to have 50 deployment targets, that is 50 deployment targets across 3 instances, which could allow you to have 150 targets in total across those 3 instances. But you could only ever have at most 50 on any one instance. So yes, you can have a test instance of Octopus provided that you haven't already used the 3 instances provided by your license. Check the links below for more details. Do you have a question about how to use Octopus? Email advice@octopus.com and somebody from our team will get you an answer. You might even see it on a future episode. Thanks for watching and happy deployments.